Hello guys, in this video we will be learning how can we upload data from ESP-32 to Google Firebase using DHT11 sensor. So firstly we have to take an on-start node to turn on Wi-Fi and then add Wi-Fi as it is connected to our Wi-Fi. So connect Wi-Fi. Start. Add your Wi-Fi credentials here. Router name, password, done. Connect the flow, add on interval, as we are using DHT11 sensor, so add DHT11 node, read, the input is at pin number 30 and it will provide a unit in Celsius. So it is selected in Celsius and the model is DHT11. Then add a global variable here. Global, add success code, is equals to 1. Done. If the Wi-Fi is connected, so we will be using if node, if success code is equal to 0, that means it is connected, then it will create JSON, use JSON, as JSON consists of 2, key and value. So here the key is temperature and the second key is humidity. Done. And the value which we have to take is from here. The value is temp. Done. The value will be temp. Done. And the value from humidity is this humidity. Done. So the value will be your humidity. Let's do it like this. Humidity. And you can change the key now humid. Done. Now number has been created. Then as we have to post the value to the Google Firebase, so we will be taking an HTTP node. The method is post, so get a post and the body. As we can see, The output from JSON create number is stringified JSON. Just copy paste as it is to the body of the post. Stringified JSON. So in this URL you have to paste the address of the Firebase, Google Firebase. So that we will see in a later part. So now it's done. Now connect the flow. Go to Google Firebase console. Add a project. Let's name it as DHT111369. Save. Continue. Enable Google Analytics for the project. Continue. Create project. Continue as our project is ready. So firstly we have to check get started by adding to your app. No. Then build, select real-time database, create database, select the location. So it is selected United States by default. Next, and start in locked mode. Now we can see a URL from here. So you just have to export a JSON over here. So you just have to import the JSON. Browse. As I have created project earlier, so I'll be just adding this here. Import. And the tab, as you can see that we can see humidity and temperature. So you just have to copy paste this URL in your post URL. Copy. Paste. At the end of URL you have to add demo.json. This is done. We will be verifying it. As we can see, there is no error. Now we can upload it. Uploaded. So now we can see that it is uploaded. So just copy this data and check. Add. As you can see, the data is uploaded. It displays humidity as 51 and temperature is 24. So now we have completed our project of uploading data of DHT11 sensor to Firebase console. Thank you.